Assalamu alaikum. This is Ibrahim Akondo. I have completed the full tracking setup for your clinic website. Let me give you a quick overview. Now I am staying inside of GTM, Google Tag Manager. I already set up lots of tag here, essential tag, which is important for my client or the clinics. Like I set up for the GA4, lots of tag I already created here for GA4, like dynamic all button clicks. Any kinds of button when anybody clicks on the website automatically track it, okay. And then email, also email, and also outbound, and then the phone or a scroll depth or YouTube, okay. I and also generate lead also for all of the setup for the GA4. And I have completed the tracking also, Google Ads conversion tracking, like Google Ads conversion linker, Google Ads lead submit event, and the user provided data. Okay, I send the Google Ads, Google Ads. Let's go. It's working properly or not. First, we have to go. If we want to check it, it's working properly or not. We have to preview it, and we have to stay for minutes to open or the website. Okay. Yes, it's working. It's opening our the website. This is our the clinic website. Okay. Now connected also tag assistant. Okay. Just now we have to activities, any kinds of activities here. Okay. If we go any kinds of button like passion stories, if we click here, I already told you I track all any kinds of button. Just we need to check the it's working properly or not. Okay, if we go GA4, and if we try to check it, it's working properly or not. Yes, it's properly working. Patient the stories. Okay, and if I go again website, and the if I click any other button like anxiety, okay, and the again we have to go Google Analytics 4 to check it's working properly or not. Okay, we have to wait here to get yes anxiety. Okay, it's working properly, and the now we want to go event manager. Okay, already it's the coming data. If we want to check again it's working properly or not, again we have to activate this on our the clinic websites, patient stories, or free TMS therapy is scanning. Okay, we click the button, and we are waiting for the result in the event manager. Okay, it's working properly, just we have to stay here. Okay, here there is no data now, but if we go our the clinic website, and try to activities, any kinds of activities, patient stories. If you click patient stories on this website, and we want to see the uh, button click in event manager. Okay, okay, it's working properly. 9:27 p.m. That's called it's working properly. So our J4, GTM, Google Ads, and the Facebook Pixel are now working properly or this smoothly, and the receiving real data. Your the tracking is accurate and ready for optimization. Thank you very much.